Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we're going to learn how to redirect to a link when a form is submitted. Here's how you can do it. On the Wix editor, go to your form and click on it. Then click on Edit Form. On this window, go to the Settings tab. Then scroll down to the Confirmation Message section. Click on this drop-down and select Redirect to a URL. Input the link over here where you'd like your visitors to be taken to once they submit to your form. And then select whether you want the link to open in a new tab or the same tab. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Save, and then you can close this window. And make sure to click on Save on the editor as well to save your changes. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish to publish the changes you've made to your live site as well. Now we're going to try to test it out. We're going to hover over Publish and select View Site. And then we're going to try to submit a form. And once that's done, we are going to, and as you can see, once we've submitted the form, we've been taken to our homepage, which is the link that I input on the confirmation section earlier. But in your case, it should successfully take you to the link you've input on your confirmation section. And that's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.